So now I'm going to introduce the middle bot car. So like before talking about the construction and the coding, I'm going to talk about the problems and the difficulties that I have faced while making this. So the first one is the construction. Like for example, I will be thinking of where should I put the motors and where should I put each of the mechanics. And the second one is the coding. Like for example, the angles of the motor and like each signal sending to where like for this one, it's like this wire sending to the Bluetooth and like the L2A10 to sending to the motors. Like first is the construction part. So this is just a car, and like this is the here is the 4 motors, and like this is the mechanism wheels. The 4 wheels is like the wheels is first introduced in the 1972, and like it is a 45 degrees wheels, like which allows the car to go forward, reverse, sideways, and even diagonal. After that is the dropper, and we can also call it the launcher. It can fire up the balls and like shoot it into the hoop. And later on, we can add the walls and or the container for it to hold the ball, so it allows it to contain more balls at the same time. And next is the technical part. So first is the microprocessor, which we usually call it Arduino because it is made by the Arduino company. And like later on is the 4 motors that I talked about. Then is the encoder motor. It is mostly used to fire the ball out. Then we also have a Bluetooth connection which connects to the controller. And like here is the 30983, which also is called the motor drivers. It is like basically a controller for the motors. It can send the signals to each motor and it controls to go or stop. And then, so now you can see how the car can move. So first you can move forward, backwards, to the left, and also to the right. Also, besides moving the DC motors, you can see how the encoder motor can move. See, now you can see like how the encoder moves and how it fires out the ball.